Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there was a stunning young woman named Moidana, known across the island for her radiant smile and breathtaking beauty. She was crowned the Queen of Kingston. But what the people didn't know was that Moidana possessed extraordinary magic powers. She could transform into a mighty superhero. One sunny day, a terrible storm threatened to flood the entire city. The river swelled, and the people were afraid. Moidana's heart was filled with compassion. She closed her eyes, and with a flash of shimmering light, she transformed into Super Moidana, stronger than any hurricane. With her super strength, she shifted the storm to the forest where the strongest trees could withstand anything, and helped evacuate families from danger. Her ability to soar with her super strength allowed her to reach those stranded on rooftops, bringing them to safety. Her magic powers created a protective shield around Kingston, calming the storm and saving countless lives. As the skies cleared and the sun shone again, the people cheered for their beautiful hero. Moidana smiled, her heart full of love for her country and people. She knew that her magic and her kindness could make Jamaica a safer, brighter place. And so, Moidana continued to be both a beauty queen and a hero, protecting Jamaica, inspiring hope, and reminding everyone that true strength comes from the love kindness within and the ability to act.